Hi there, my name is David Jones and I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video we are going to be discussing the topic how to locate your Send Button Terms tab. Some of you may actually not know where to find the Send Button Terms tab, but all of that will be covered in this video, so don't go anywhere, stick around, you are in for a treat. Okay, we're back, and I just want to first show you that I am on the billioncoin.info website, and that is the website where you will be able to access the Send Button terms. Now, if you look at the website as it stands right now, you will notice that you have the Home tab, the Members tab, the Formula, the Calculators, the Testimonials, and the Broadcast tab, but there is no Send Button tab, no Send Button terms. So how do you find it? The first thing you're going to have to do is to log in to the info site. And once you log into the info site, all shall be revealed. So I have hit the button to log in, and as soon as I get in, I will show you exactly what has been missing from what we last saw when we first looked at those tabs. So the first thing you'll notice is that we now have more tabs. Some more tabs have been added. One of them is the Send Button Terms. This is the tab that has been elusive, and you will only find this tab when you log into your billioncoin.info website. Now, if you log into your billioncoin.info website and you do not see this tab, chances are you have not yet paid your back office, because if your back office is paid and your account status reflects paid, this button will be here in your Billioncoin info site once you log in. I'm just going to click on the tab so you can see what it is all about. Now, this tab was created and placed here on this website for the purpose of those persons who wanted to have their send buttons restored. They had not done testimonial videos, but they wanted their send buttons restored. So the admin went ahead and had a page created detailing the send button terms. So it is not just enough to have a send button, you ought to know how to use that send button. Not only how to use it properly, but how to use it and also conform to the rules and regulations of the membership agreement governing the TBC community. And those terms and rules, regulations, etc. are all discussed here in this on this page, and you will notice that this particular diagram here should be familiar to those of you who may have watched video 24, where I was showing you how to determine or to find whether a person is a trusted, active, valid, and trusted seller. And that's one of the requirements here on the Send Button terms. As you scroll through the page, you'll notice that there are certain things highlighted in yellow, in red being more so a color of warning. So you know that you have to pay attention and really digest the information on this page. Once you have satisfactory to your own self gone through the page and you're satisfied that you are familiar with what is required of you, you'll just check this box down here at the bottom, and then you'll click the Submit button, and in so doing, your Send Button will be restored. Now, while this was a prerequisite, while we were fully active in TBC004.net wallets, as you will know, we are going through migration. Actually, we are soon to wrap up migration because it's wrapping up at the end of this month. So then, this tab or this page will still be necessary because all those who have migrated and are in possession of new TBC009 wallets will still have to comply with the Send Button terms and regulations, and those you can find here. So that's it for this video, folks. This video was just to show you how to locate the Send Button tab. First off, where you can find it is on the info site. You have to log in, however, to see it, and then having logged in and seen it and clicked on it, then you'll be able to look at the instructions given so that you will know exactly what is expected of you. So thank you for watching. This has been another video in the series, the Billion Coin TBC Academy, TBC Made Simple. Thank you for watching. Do have yourselves a great afternoon.